Junie AI review. Is this coding platform or coding assistant worth it? Let's get started. So Junie AI is an open source AI coding assistant that runs in your terminal or IDE with support for both cloud-based and local large language models. It's unlike most popular assistants. Junie gives you full control, privacy, and customization over your dev workflow. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So it is open source and customizable. You can choose your own models and configure the prompts. It also works with ChatGPT 4, Cloud, Mistral, and local models like Llama. And it is very lightweight and terminal friendly. It works with any editor, it keeps your code private, and is fast growing dev focused community. The only downside is it doesn't have any fancy GUI and runs mostly in the terminal. It also requires some setup and CLI knowledge, and it's not as polished or beginner friendly as Copilot or JetBrains AI. So it is 100% worth it if you're a developer who values privacy, flexibility, and local control over your AI assistant.